How to create couple image in Bing AI 2024. In this video, we're going to be creating a couple image in Bing AI, and to do it, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to bing.com/images/create. Now, to basically add a prompt for a couple image, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come right over here. And once you come over here, what you're going to do is write a prompt like couple holding hands and walking in a beautiful park with a yellow brick road. And obviously you can add more details into it, like sunny day and trees, animals, write something in like that. And once you do that, simply go ahead and click on create. And what it does is it goes ahead and starts using your prompt into creating a proper image. So obviously the longer your prompt is, the more time it's going to take, but look at that. How cool is that? So that is a proper couples image that you can create in Bing AI. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.